So as we can see, price, uh, good day and welcome. So as you can see, price is still in a consolidation. Really, it hasn't made any significant move. Just swept out this low. So that's it. Looks like it might want to go up. So we'll have to wait and see. As you can see, it used this old low as support, taking out this high and this high. So now it looks like it wants to go up, take out this relative equal highs. Gonna put it like that. Now I wonder why it's not. Now it's very strange. Why is price not? I don't know. Maybe am I missing something or what? Am I missing something or what? Okay, let's look at the cable. It's going through it. Okay, yeah, there we go. There we go. So this was a false. This was I think we'll see as time goes by, but this at the moment, at least I think this looks like a Judas swing. So the market was, as we can see, consolidating. Was within this range. Okay, I hope I'm not gonna eat my words right now. So we have this consolidation, this price range, and price breaks out, coming into this fair value gap here, taking out this lows, and went up to take out this highs, creating equal highs here. So we'll see if this stands, but it looks like it's respecting this order block here. Because look at the bodies, or only one candle rather. It's only one candle that is closed inside this order block. So we'll see what happens next. And if you look closely, you'll see that we have this breaker. I'm gonna take this as one candle. Oh, all right. Man, yeah, it's a little quiet. It's a bit quiet today. Oh, this is more convincing, isn't it? Cable. So lows were taken out, as you can see. Going into a fair value gap here, then quickly taking out these highs. One, two, three. To be honest, I hardly trade NFP, and I don't usually look at it. I just look at it after the fact. Like I just come to the charts, either on a weekend or whenever. But I don't usually watch what what's taking place during. It's been a while, so yeah, I was expecting like a sharp movement, but clearly that's not happening, at least for now. Okay, it looks like this, what I thought was an order block has failed. So let's see if price is gonna respect this breaker. Wait and see. hmm Probably the same thing is happening on the cable. There we go. And this is the model that's playing out here. It's yeah, I've had ICT talk about it, vouching for it. Basically, this breaker model, I think it's it's quite good. So I'll be looking at it. I'll be yeah, this is gonna be a very. I'll be trading it more often going forward. Doesn't always play out, but when the conditions are right, looks like it plays out really well. We'll probably come down here and use this as support, this old highs or recent highs which coincide or correlate with this fair value gap here. This is probably being used as a breakaway gap. What we'll see. I think it might come down here. Oh, oh. Hmm. Okay. Maybe it's not so keen on coming back to that level. Looks like this played out. Just wanna see the low on this candle. It's 1737.7. The high on this 1738.3. Or in fact, no, that was it. uh, the open. Well, so it really used this order block here. You can see the high, in fact the open on what I had marked as an order block. The open is 1737.7 and the low of this 1737.7. So yeah, looks like everything is aligning. That we'll see. Mhm. Does it wanna come back? Let's see. Yes or no? As soon as it touches this, I'm gonna buy it. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to let it go. It looks like I don't think it's gonna come all the way. I don't think so. So it's a B. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. It's already tested this level, the high of this, the open of this order block. So yeah, maybe it's just gonna keep on going. Yeah. Alright, just taking into consideration that we have this inefficiency here, fair value gap, price has already touched it here, but as we can see on the right that we have is liquidity above here. So this level is it's a bit too clean, and we've already swept this level, so it has to go up. So this price is being pulled, has been, yeah, to this level. So this is what we're aiming for. This is the level. Oh, it really came. Oh, okay. Looks like I was almost right. So yeah, looks like things are going according to plan. Mm-hmm. Yeah, our price is really doing the things. It's doing the right things. All right. Everything's going according to plan. So here, as you just we have equal highs here. Can you see that? 926, 920. We go through it. We leave a fair value gap, and we come back into it. So that's one of the ways to determine which order block, or I mean which fair value gap to use for entries, because before a high was taken, it created a fair value gap, right? So fair value gaps that are created in these types of scenarios here, those are high probability fair value gaps. I think I mentioned it in my last stream. Just want to see if this was the close on this candle. 34.617. What's the open here? Okay, so there's no price inefficiency there. And as you can see, look at the bodies. They didn't even go below this this high, relative equal highs here. Even the some of the wicks here, respecting this level. This one. These two just dip into it. One, two, and rejected. So it looks like price definitely wants to keep on expanding on the upside. You already know. So price may just shoot above here, or just after, might go through it and retrace a bit, continue going up. And they'll probably just come back a little bit after making a significant, uh, after going up a bit, it will come down to use this as support. So yeah, I'm gonna move my stop loss because I would not want to see it coming back all the way down here. So for those who wanna follow me on trading view, you can do that. This is my Mentohi FX, right? So just, and that's not my car, by the way. Yeah, this was selected for. This was put on the editors. Is it the editors picks? Editors picks. Yeah, I've got a lot of views for this. Only if they could translate to, a lot of YouTube views, that would be something. So do follow me, and yeah, let's get right back into it. Let's see what the fiber is doing. What is it up to right now? Hmm? So if you're holding a position from, you know, anywhere above, or you've placed a sell limit, just close it, okay? Just yeah, because you're about to get stopped out. If you have a trade, is in profit, please, a stop loss here, just close it. At least you would have made one pip or something. Or if you have a sell limit above this level, just forget about that. It's not gonna pan out from the way the market is behaving, you know. Keeps on making, ever since this level, ever since we took out these equal highs, lows rather, one, two, three, four, it's been making higher highs and higher lows. One, two, three, four. low, one, two, three, four, five. Let's see about this one. And this is just the minor retracement. I wouldn't want to see it go all the way down here. That would be, yeah, a disappointment. So as you can see, there's no need for me to annotate this. These are equal highs. And this is a daily. Let's go. So it looks like this. What I had initially marked as an order block is quite a significant level. Let's see, because it looks like all this price action here occurred inside. I was using it as support, placing of more orders. Isn't it amazing how it fits perfectly? This order block here and this cannot exactly perfectly. Oh. Uh-oh. What are you trying to do now? Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Spoke too soon. You know what I like about cable is that when it retraces, it doesn't make these huge, reversals. It's just, you know, it's unlike the Euro USD likes to make deep retracements. You understand? But As much as I'm not a a huge fan of GBP USD, or I like the fact that it doesn't make deep retracements. I like it because I'm in profit, as you can see. But look at all these. Oh man, that's too deep. That's too deep. Yeah, there was a deep retracement. I don't like that. I really do not like this. While on the other hand, cable is going up, and Anemani will be easier. Yeah, imagine you are profitable from here and you put a stop loss. Yes, price kept on going high, thinking you're the man. Looks like they wanna leave this open. Breakaway gap, right? Yeah. Yeah, with this low being taken and the way price is behaving now, I wonder if it's trying to use this as a reason to keep going down. Because this is a breaker right here, and you can see this violent reaction. This is doing lovely things here. I have no idea USD is behaving like this. This is why trading on NFP during NFP is not for uh it's not for beginners. Look at that reaction from there. Man, I'm not liking this at all. See, I think it wants to go down there. We'll see, it's almost 10 o'clock. We'll see what happens with the next candle. Do we have news? Let me see. Okay, ISM Services PMI. I hope this will shoot it up so high. 2 minutes to go. Let's see what happens. Hmm. Now it has to go up. Yeah, I think it's gonna go up. Look at all those. Um, mm, mm, mm. Wow. Okay, that's good. Why don't I have that? I need to get when I get paid, when I get my money right. I need to get this. I need to upgrade my plan from the basic one, cause you see all this movement shut up and then came back. Probably if I had, if you wanted to catch this move and you missed it, probably on a, I'm buying this one. Got to buy this. Why is it not appearing? That is crazy, man. At least it didn't hit the stop loss. At least we're still in the trade. Yeah, I'm pretty sure a lot of people got hurt with this movement. Yo, man, that was so sharp. What did I put? Did I put even put a stop loss here? I didn't even put a stop loss. My lord. I don't want to see it come back here. And by the way, guys, this is not a real account. I'm sure you can see it says paper trading here. Okay. But I do have a real account. If you're interested in perhaps, I've been thinking of having some kind of a community where we can, exchange ideas and motivate each other, So if you want something like that, you can comment or you can follow me on TradingView and inbox me and we can take it from there. This is what I like to see, man. So basically, I should have been waiting for 10 a.m. Okay, right. So let's see if what I spoke about earlier actually happened or not. This level being used as support. It hasn't happened yet. Okay, maybe on the lower time frame. Anyway, like I was saying earlier on, before I got distracted by this sharp move, I was saying that Yeah, I really need to upgrade my plan in the near future because if you miss this and it comes back, you can see that this will be a perfect opportunity to sell, I mean to buy. But you should have um, a predetermined bias of where you think the market is going. You can't just jump in, like, you understand? Because in this case, I was of the opinion, even when it came all the way down here, I was still of the opinion that, you know, even though I was a little bit troubled by this low being taken out, but my initial bias was that it's gonna go up. So if it does this, comes back, I mean, some would think this high was taken, and it's gonna continue going down. But if it had like taken out this high, came down to take out this low with such violence, I would have just uh I would sit this one out. But because came back and didn't violate any lows below this low, it didn't even come anywhere close. Just came. This is like an order block. It's an order block here. And look at the bodies. Look at the next candle. Didn't even go below. Just at the just dipped a bit below the midpoint of this candle. The midpoint of the this candle that I thought was playing as being used as a breaker. So yeah, one should really get a plan with that can show lower time frames, 15 seconds, and yeah, just 15 seconds. Take August, yeah, 1 minute below is, I don't know let me see, seconds, let's see, yeah, okay, from 45 until 1. Looks like these highs were taken. That's why we're seeing this reversal or retracement into this fair value gap, inversion, fair value gap. No, it's not okay. It's not an inversion fair value gap, right? It's a reclaimed fair value gap. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, this it doesn't look so. Okay, this levels hasn't haven't been really taken out. So yeah, we might see another sharp move just to take out this levels. So when you look at it on a higher time frame, they look very clean. You see that? So yeah, the fact that it just wicked is probably a one pip move above these highs. Let's see what's the high. 583, 582, 587. So this is not a significant move above these equal highs. So we really need some more action, or we can anticipate that it's still gonna go high. Looks like they're using this as support, like I said. So we'll have to wait and see whether that's true or not. this types of you see what's happening now. Uh, we have this here and we have this here. These are some of the things that are still confusing me and I still need to learn a bit more about. But I'm willing to bet on the fact that it wants to go up because so far it's been showing signs. But you see, price went up, right? This is how usually I get to, like, when I lose, or perhaps maybe let's say, you see, I'm in profit right now. But when price starts doing this, I would usually close because it's this could be, a sign that it wants to go down, right? So, but the fact that we have this support here in the form of a fair value gap, I'm willing to, you know, let it go because, yeah, it looks like it wants to. But usually, because we have a fair value gap here and here, and so far we can see we saw a reaction here. The price came crashing down, went up into this fair value gap, came down, took out this low, went into this fair value gap, continued going down. You understand? So yeah, I still need to learn more about these because that's where I tend to make a lot of mistakes. Even when, um, for instance, when I would think that the market is starting, if the market is being bullish, like think of this as a daily, as a daily chart. I would start when I start seeing this, I would think, yeah, prices finally we've reached a high. You understand? So and quite often, or in a quite a not very okay, not often, but a lot of times, uh, okay, a lot of my losses come from those type of situations where I think we've reached a high, does this, and it continues going up. I'm like, okay, what the hell is happening? So this is one of those situations, but I'm willing to just let it go and see what happens because we still have this low, right? That has not been taken out. So yeah, and we have this breaker here that's still standing, and price respected that here. I think price might just consolidate around this area, just around until today's close. We'll see. Just preparing for maybe next week. This will be a level where they will definitely drive price towards if they just leave it like this. But we'll see. We still have a couple of hours to go, maybe about 6 hours. Yeah, until the market closes. 4 or 6 hours. I'm not so sure. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna end this stream in a few minutes because I don't know. I wanted to go to the gym. So thanks for tuning in, and all the best with your trading, and reach for the sun as you can see. But don't get burned along the way. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Do subscribe, like, tell others about this channel, and keep on uh, practicing and putting in time into this forex education.